For respectable principal, vice principal and teachers and my sweet guests and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is my loving friend. As we know that we are gathered here to celebrate the culture day. Today's actor is just like a national day for all cities of the world. Our son is unique, much less historical and peerless spot in the world. My son is like the paradise on the world. We are proud to be Sindhi. This land is precious, holy and sacred on the map of the world. This is the beloved and God-gifted Sindhi, which is like sweet mother and has been serving, caring and looking after the unminted and uncountable humanity for thousands of years. We are proud of our historical culture. We are proud of our ancient tradition and customs. We are proud of our rich civilization. We are proud of our Topi and Ajrak. We are proud of Indus River. We are proud of Mohenjo-daro. We are proud of City of Lights, Karachi, Hyderabad, Sakkar and Narkand also. We are proud of our great saints and legends, Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai, Qadir Lal Shah, Sami Sachalaya and Bukhari. We are proud of our great leader, Surya Badshah, who fought with the rebels for our lovely homeland Sindh. We are proud of Wash Muhammad Shidi, who also fought for these loving things. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, who has sacrificed of his life for the respect and rights of Sindh. Bashir Khan Qureshi, who has given the constitution to their state and was the great Sindhi leader. My beloved Sindh is also rich in natural resources, gas, petrol, coal, which is also called black gold of Sindh. How I can forget the beauty of Kijaran, Machand, the beauty of Thai, the beauty of Mitti, and also the beauty of Goragel. You know, Ekta means unity, so we all have to be united, and we must apply as well as journalize our tradition and customs. And the last, I want to say some lines, then I will take my seat. Tu raat na jaane baran sa, tu raat na jaane baran sa, to atki ajrak varam sa. Tu raat na jaane baran sa, to atki ajrak varam sa. Ye nusrat ji aulad bitai, ye nusrat ji aulad bitai. Sindhi zindabad bitai, Sindhi zindabad. Thanks.